Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati means that which brings lightness. And the breath is really about creating energy. If you're feeling groggy in the head, it helps to detoxify the nasal passages. And so overall, it's just a great breath if you're really struggling with fatigue, especially in the morning, tiredness, and like you need to just increase your energy. So finding a comfortable seat, you can start with a balanced breath practice for a few cycles and just get really grounded into your body. And then we'll move into Kapalabhati. So for Kapalabhati, we use rapid exhales. If you're very new to Kapalabhati, I'm going to recommend that you just start with about 7 breaths. When we're dealing with autoimmune, we always want to make sure that we take little steps at first so that we don't just overtax our system or respond in a way that makes you feel too lightheaded or something like that. So just take a few nice deep breaths, and then you'll inhale and do 7 rapid little exhales. So it'll go something like this. And then you'll go back to a few deep breaths. If you were to do this practice with your mouth open, it would be kind of like you were fogging up a glass. So if it's cold outside and you're breathing onto a window, you know how you something like that, but we do the practice through the nose. What you'll feel in your belly is that your belly pulls in rapidly each time you exhale. So your belly pulls in and the exhale is forced out through the nose. So I'll do a few more this time. We'll do 27 exhales so that you can see a more full practice. So closing your eyes, take a few deep breaths. And if you're doing this along with me, just you can stay with the 7 or you can do a few more. Nice full inhale and begin. Full exhale. And inhale. And then a few deep breaths. Just taking a few more rounds of balanced breath. Good. So as you first start the practice, I recommend that you do just about 3 rounds of those 7 exhales, those 7 rapid exhales. And then insert balanced breathing at the beginning and the end, and a few deep breaths in between each practice. Notice how you feel, and if you feel the energy clearing a little bit, a little lightness in the body, then continue to do this practice. If you feel too lightheaded, you could always just do 1 round of 7. I hope you enjoy this practice as much as I do.